you looking for a reliable high-volume PCB assembly solution? From consumer electronics to automotive, high-volume assembly is the key to mass production. In this video, we'll show you the process, benefits, and quality control behind high-volume PCBA. High-volume PCB assembly typically refers to orders with over 1,000 boards per production run. It requires a stable supply chain, automated equipment, and strict quality management systems. Its main steps include component sourcing, SMT, reflow soldering, AOI inspection, through hole soldering, wave soldering, ICT or function testing, and final packing. In PCBasic, we ensure zero-defect delivery with first article inspection, AOI, X-ray, ICT, and functional testing. Every PCB goes through strict, standardized quality control procedures. Want to learn more about our high-volume PCBA capabilities and case studies? Visit our website at www.pcbasic.com.